In today's video, Lauren and I are going to be going head to head to see who can design a better t-shirt. So how is this video going to work? Well, we have a whole bunch of categories in the hat here, and what's going to happen is Lauren is going to pick, not yet, Lauren is going to pick a category out of the hat. We are then going to get 10 minutes each to research that category and come up with some design ideas. And then we're going to get half an hour each to use the iPad and either draw a design, use Canva, use Photoshop, use Procreate, whatever apps we need to create our design. And don't worry, this video isn't going to be like an hour long of like the entire process. It will be a fast video, but throughout the process we will explain what we're doing, right? Right. We need to...
I'm not a t-shirt designer, so this should be interesting.
Yes, but you're very good at art, so it should be fine. And then at the end, we will come back together, we will look at each other's designs, and we will let you decide who actually won. No, we'll let you decide who actually won. Okay, so the categories are out of space, animals, jobs, school, place, music, food, and sports. These are just categories that we ask random friends to pick. It's really random, and quite frankly, I have no idea what I would design for any of them. But
I want to do it.
Close your eyes.
Pick. Where is it?
Here. Right there.
Oh, has one fallen out?
Yes. No, they've all fallen out.
This one. School.
Okay. Oh no. That's the one I...
do that again?
No, that's the one I didn't know. We're not doing that again. It has to be real. Right, school is the category. Both need to do research on potential school designs. I have quite a few ideas, I think.
I have 0.
But that's what the research phase is for. So now we will jump to 10 minutes of research each. Let's start the timer. And the timer will be sped up because we're not actually going to do 10 minutes for the camera. That'll be really boring. Okay, it has been 10 minutes. We both have our research. No one can see the other person's research. And what we're going to do now is we're going to each get half an hour to use the iPad and design a t-shirt design. I don't know if it's going to be any good. You don't have to use the pencil, by the way. You can just use Canva and...
using the pencil?
Okay, well, you don't have to. But either way, that is that. And yeah, let's get to it.
Okay, so during the research time, I was looking at different phrases to do with school, and I think I'm going to focus on like back to school because, you know, it's like the summertime now, and I feel like over the next few months people might be purchasing like back to school t-shirts. And I'm also going to focus on like... I think mainly it'll be for like the younger end, but this design, this phrase that I'm using, it's like scalable to any year in the end. So what I'm going to do is the phrase will be my first day of, and then the blank will like either be kindergarten, nursery, grade 1, year 1, depending on the country. So lots of different options there.
Okay, so I'm not quite sure what Lauren's done, but I'm using Procreate with the iPad and the Apple Pencil. I'm going to make my graphic, and then I'm going to airdrop it over to my computer where I'll use Photoshop to actually create the whole design, or maybe even Canva. I've got a whole bunch of fonts that I've downloaded from Creative Fabrica. I've already picked my font, and I'm going to show that to you a bit later. But for now, I'm working on my graphic, and I'll show you a sneak preview. That's my graphic so far, right? And this is school related, so you might be able to guess what it is. I don't know how good Lauren's is. I don't know what she's done. But either way, right now I need to finish my graphic, and then I'm going to head over to Photoshop. So let me just quickly do this.
I have just finished using Figma to create my graphics. I feel like Figma, I don't know if many people use it for this kind of thing. It's like a wireframing website, prototyping, UX kind of program, but I just think it's really user friendly, so I enjoy using it for also designing stuff.
Okay, I know that I'm running out of time. I can't spend too long just doing this bust. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to be happy with that, and I'm going to move on to the rest of the graphics. So I'm fine with that. Am I fine with that? Yeah, I'm fine with that. Okay, let's move on. Okay, I have my design over here. I'm now going to go to my fonts. I've got fonts downloaded from Creative Fabrica when I bought that font pack, right? Like something like 300 fonts. Anyways, I know the font I want. It starts with a D. I think it's called Dreamland. It's called Dreamland. So all I need to do is just install that font, install font, and we are good to go. So let's put in the words. We have now both done these designs. Originally it was a half an hour challenge. I took 29 minutes and I really rushed at the end.
I've never designed a t-shirt before, so I was like, didn't know what to do. I was on websites, I was on Procreate, but the actual time, I went back to like the software I know how to use, Figma, and the actual time I spent on Figma doing it was probably half an hour too.
Okay, well, that's fine. Lauren attempted to use Procreate and many other platforms and
didn't work.
It was over an hour and a half, let's just put it that way. So
it was half an hour actual work.
So
what you see is half an hour.
Was it? Either way.
Yes.
Okay, are you ready?
Ready.
Right.
Oh,
I don't like yours at all.
I don't like your colours. I don't like those colours.
How did that take you an hour and a half? Well, what did you do?
I drew them all.
Did you go to the shop, buy them,
Did
take
you draw
photos?
that bus?
Yes.
No, you didn't. Not
Yes,
from scratch.
Yes, I did.
No, you didn't.
I
I want to see that.
I did.
You did not draw that from scratch.
I flipping well did. Hang on, let me log into the iPad. I'll play it for you so you can see everything. No copying, no tracing.
Can you copy that?
Nothing. Hang on, how do I play? Video. Time lapse. Yeah. Okay, this is me making it. It took me, well, less than half an hour, but either way. This is me making it. Just showing me making the
How
bus.
do you know how to do this on Procreate?
Believe me?
Yes.
Well done. Okay. Well, either way.
I like mine.
I like your apple. Your apple is excellent, but it literally looks like you went to the shop, bought an apple, put it in front of you, took a photo, and then well, it just took you so long.
Well, your colours of your fonts, I don't like them. They don't match your bus.
I know, that's what I said. If I was going to finesse the design, I would have changed the colours of the fonts, I would have changed the bus colours a bit, but I was sticking to my half an hour, and I didn't have time. But I do like the font. It's meant... Okay, let me explain my design.
Go on.
In my mind, a teenager or anyone over the age of 8 or 9 is going to choose their own t-shirts.
Oh, I said that on the video.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, me too. So, and I don't think they will choose anything that is like my first day of this, right?
Okay.
They just wouldn't. But at the age of 5, maybe 6, kindergarten, wait, that's 5th grade.
I know, I should have written first.
Yeah, 5th grade is like
I know, I
old.
realised how old that is.
Yeah. Also, they're not
But
going
I
to be
did
doing
say
that in
that.
5th grade. Like...
What?
Whatever. Anyways, so I thought the only person that would wear this is if a mum is dressing her child or a dad dressing her
yes.
child. So that's why I went with kindergarten, and that's why I went for fancy colours and all that. But yes, I know it doesn't match the bus. I need to make the bus the same yellow as that, or I need to make these.
I'd make the bus this
I needs a bit of finessing. I'll give you that. But I was sticking to my time.
Okay.
Explain your design, please.
I just like this phrase because I think it's very scalable. You could do different grades.
Okay.
And I just picked some key items of back to school.
And just plonk them there.
Well, I made it work with the text.
Okay, and why did you do this font?
I thought it looked very schooly.
Yeah, it does.
I don't know if it's allowed, but...
Well, we're not selling these designs, so it's okay. But you know what? It is good. But we're going to let everyone else decide, because that's the premise of this video, isn't it?
I just matched all the colours up. Look at my shading.
Such a good job.
Look. So nice.
This is now for you to decide. You can see both the designs up here. Let us know in the comments if you prefer Lauren's or Shimmy's, who won this challenge. Don't worry, there'll be no hard feelings.
I think it looks good on the t-shirt.
It looks amazing. It does actually look really good on a t-shirt.
Thank you.
I'll give you that. I'll put that in the video. Looks really good on a t-shirt. There'll be no hard feelings if you pick Lauren or if you pick me. Neither of us mind. This was just a bit fun and games. And yeah, if you like this kind of video, let me know. We can do more challenges like this. But other than that, thank you so much. What do you mean? Just don't take 2 hours next time. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in the next video.